Of what?
Go over here and get some shots of this meat. It's almost cooked. It's almost ready.
$7. So we go back to the normal size.
How many falls through on these? 16. Well, I only saw these. I saw these right here. 16 pennies are big mothers. Look. You know what a big mother is? Johnny, they're right in the middle. You walk like you're going to the back. Have you got a good shot of my knees? They're on that plywood. Did I move? They're on that plywood. They're in a...
This is really nice knees.
Well, isn't there a sack on top of the milk carton? Man, I'm not this smart. I didn't get any sleep.
Do what? What did Joyce say?
I forgot.
I'm not taping.
Tim,
Sir?
did you hear about the... Daddy, don't tell any jokes.
Go ahead, Daddy.
You tape yourself.
Go ahead.
Did you hear about the...
If it's good, I'll tape it.
The golfer that his eyesight was failing him and he couldn't watch the ball?
No, Pop.
If you do good, you get to tell if you can. But he was telling the doctor says, you're very fortunate. He says, I have a friend who loves to play golf, has excellent eyesight.
Hey, there's no milk carton.
Okay, buddy.
Okay, go
They
ahead.
went hunting. They went golfing.
Yeah?
They went golfing.
You can edit that out later.
There's no editing. This is it.
And as they were, his friend said, keep the eye on the ball. He said, okay, I got my eye on the ball. He struck it about 300 feet, long drive from the tee. So he said, you see where the ball went? He said, yeah. So they got about halfway down to where the ball was, and he says, where is the ball? He says, I forgot.
Is that the end of the joke, Pop?
Hey, it's poor memory.
He could see, but he couldn't remember.
He could see, but he couldn't remember.
His or her girlfriend, boyfriend. And even though they're just watching TV, you know you're not welcome there. Or how does it feel? This is a campus of 33,000 plus students, okay? How does it feel when you walk into a classroom with 200 people at mid-semester and you sit down and you look around and you realize that you don't know a single person that you've been sitting beside for the last 7 weeks, and you don't know the name, you've never spoken to them. You know, how does that feeling feel? And, you know, how do you suppose that feels when somebody does that 6 times a day, 5 days a week? And these things really hit home with students. I mean, some of the questions we ask, they just burst out in this bit of anxious laughter.
Where did you find it? On that plywood table?
I don't believe it.
And
I went over there and looked.
Did you get that on film, Johnny?
Yeah, I went over there and looked. Yes, sir.
Yes, I got that on film. Big hawk wide through the woods.
and questions like, have you ever wanted to just run up to somebody and say, look, you just don't know what you're missing by not getting to know me. Come on, give me a chance, give me a break, you know? And they really relate to those things. I mean, it really, really hits home. And
How often y'all do that a week?
well, right now, we've only done 3 shows. We did 2 staff shows. This is last semester. Last semester was our dry run and sort of feeling things out and seeing how it worked. And then we did 1 open show for the resident halls. And the Daily Aztec, which is a daily publication, it's about a 12-page publication that comes out. I mean, this is like a full-scale 4,000-person town press. In fact, it probably works like a small city does. And it has that kind of incredible network and that sort of bureaucracy that goes on there. And so what we hope to do is set up a chain of 3 different workshops that will deal with different issues. The 3 issues that we will deal with, one of them, again, this alienation, isolation. And if we open it up at the beginning of the semester, it'll be geared more toward the incoming freshmen, which in the resident halls composes about 85% of the student population. And so 85% of 2,000 plus students.
How long you want? I'm sorry, go ahead.
And then we'll do one show on alcohol abuse, which is a real prominent problem that comes up over and over and over. That is, if we can figure out a way to approach that students will realize that we're not coming down on them.
Yeah. Creatively. And
Yeah. So, I mean, we thought about if we could get a keg of beer into the resident halls, we would do that and say, you know, free beer, come to the show, but I'm not sure that would work.
Free beer for alcohol abuse?
Yeah.
That ought to draw them in.
Yeah, I mean, we're not opposing alcohol. We're, you know, just, you know, want to talk about the abuse and the peer pressure and those sorts of things. And there's really, I mean, they'll have a party, a frat or something will throw a party, and they'll have literally, they'll order like 10 kegs of beer. There'll be like 300 people, 400 or 500 people that come in and consume 10 kegs of beer in 3 hours' time. That's an incredible mass of beer. And it's an incredible mass of people that are walking and driving home drunk. And so that's, you know, that's a real prominent problem, one that I'd heard about when I first got there, but didn't really realize the significance of it until quite a long time after that. And I kept hearing students come back over and over and over and saying, you know, there's an incredible problem here.